पंखो से धीमो बदले बे ऊपर मोकलेगी तो साथे जशो very good evening to everyone. I Kaushal Bhatt, founder member and treasurer of SIP, welcomes you all. Today it's my privilege to do SIP chat with one of my mentor, because of whom I am here on this post of this treasurer of SIP. I welcome Dr. Subodh Desai from Surat. Subodh Bhai was a treasurer of IEP in 1996 to 1992 to 1996 and 1998 to 2009. He was physiotherapist of Surat Municipal Corporation till 2011. Subodh Bhai passed his graduation from 1976. Now Subodh Bhai is a coordinator of Bharti Maiya Physiotherapy College, Surat. So I welcome Subodh Bhai. Welcome, sir. Sir, you have to unmute yourself. I am able to see. Yes, good. Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening to all.
Sir, how are you? How is
Was
everything?
fine. How are you?
Great, sir. Sir, welcome you. And first, let me tell you regarding first my experience. When I met you first in 2006, I wanted to be a member of IAP, and I asked someone because I was about to complete internship in civil hospital. And
I must have fired you, no? At that time.
No, you have not fired me. I was just wanted to know like who is Subodh Bhai? When can I meet Subodh Bhai? In 2006 Ahmedabad conference, and someone told like man with safari suit and briefcase in the hand is Subodh Bhai. You just go and meet him. He'll give membership form. So I welcome you, sir, on behalf of SIP. Sir, first let me ask you about your early life, uh, about your school days, about your family. Can you tell us about that?
See, I have studied my schooling at remote area of Valsad district. I passed 11th standard. At that time, 12th was not there. It was 11.
Okay.
And then we have to go to the college. So I passed from the remote area of a school.
Okay.
Name of my village was Motawak Chipa.
Okay.
It's difficult to remember.
Okay. Right. So, sir, you did schooling in Valsad district. Then you moved to Surat at where? After
for my graduation, science graduation, I went to Surat. I stayed in a hostel.
Okay. So
I passed my BSc examination, Bachelor of Science in Chemistry subject.
Okay, so you did first chemistry. You did graduation in 1973, right?
73.
73.
Ah.
So after chemistry, what made you to take to physiotherapy? Because at that time, 73, you become BSc chemistry. It means you are getting job next day. So what you take you to physiotherapy?
See, my elder brother was studying at Baroda MS University. He was doing his master's degree in mathematics.
Okay.
He suggested me that this is a new developing branch of medical field. So it's better you go, if you get admission, it's better you go there.
Okay. So,
And my father's maternal uncle, he was a pioneer of orthopedic in Gujarat.
okay.
He,
What's
he
his,
was he was one of the pioneer of orthopedic surgery in Gujarat.
okay.
So my father used to ask him advice, take advice always. So
Okay.
he suggested
Okay. So what's his name? Who is a pioneer of orthopedics?
Dr. M.D. Desai.
Okay. He was in Baroda.
Now he was in Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. He was a superintendent and dean of Medical College of Ahmedabad.
Okay. So he also advised and your brothers also advised. So
Ah.
because of that, you went to MS University. So straight away you got admission in physiotherapy because,
Now at that time, there were very few colleges in India.
right.
So I have to inquire. One college was at Baroda. They have just started and it's so 4 years, before 4 years only it was started.
Okay.
So my batch was the 5th batch of physiotherapy.
Right.
So I applied there
Okay.
and there was an interview there.
Okay.
And all big bosses were there, orthopedic surgeons, superintendent, dean of Medical College of Baroda,
Okay.
principal of physiotherapy college.
Right.
And that time the college was sponsored by WHO.
Okay.
So WHO sponsored person was also there.
Okay.
So they used to one by one questions, whether you know physiotherapy, why do you want to join physiotherapy?
Okay. They must have asked you also like why you want to join after BSc.
Yeah, they have asked me. Then
Right.
I gave the same answer what I have given you.
Okay. Right. So,
And they have asked me whether you have seen any department, physiotherapy department. I
Okay.
said I have seen the department of I had seen the department of a VS hospital
okay. So VS hospital had a department that time.
that time.
Okay. And any other department have you seen before that, sir?
No, in Ahmedabad only one.
No, no. Any other department other than VS hospital? Have you been to see any other department?
I had been once to Bombay to inquire
Okay.
for the admission.
Okay. In Bombay, which place, sir?
KEM hospital.
Okay. So you have met Dastur ma'am or Shahani
No,
sir?
I didn't see any stalwarts there.
Okay. So you just went there and inquire.
For admission, but they said that we give admission to Bombay people only, Maharashtra people only.
Okay. So that's why you move back to MS University, Baroda. Fine.
There were only 10 seats were there.
Okay.
And after July and during that time, on 15th of June, always
Okay.
college starts.
Okay.
And later on, government has increased 2 seats, and luckily I got the admission.
Okay. So because government has increased 2 seats, we got physiotherapy got both by.
Yeah.
Oh, good. So, sir, who was your teacher or principal during that time? Like any memories about your college days?
At that time, there was no principal post, but HO, head of the department was there.
Okay.
Dr. C.G. Padole was the clinical therapist as well
Okay.
as assistant teachers.
Okay.
But main boss was Dr. John Goel.
Okay.
And WHO fellow, Miss Mann from Australia was there.
Okay.
And we were very lucky to learn from her.
Right. So, what about your colleagues, sir? Any of this famous name you must remember or what they are doing now?
See, we were 12 students.
Okay.
Nine were abroad. And
Okay.
we are only 3 are in Gujarat.
Okay. So what?
You must be knowing Salah Bhatt.
Yes, I know Sarla ma'am.
But she was my classmate.
Okay, so what made you to stay here in Gujarat or India especially? Because that time people were going abroad. As you told, 9 people went outside. So why you stayed here back in India and Surat?
See, Surat, there were only 4 physiotherapists in Surat or
Okay,
in South Gujarat.
okay,
So there are plenty of scope for physiotherapy.
okay,
And I'm a person of a simple living.
right,
So I stayed, I got a job before I passed the exam
okay.
at Surat in
Where you got private hospital?
private hospital.
Okay,
At that time, Dr. Chandrakant Modi was working there.
okay,
He asked me, just apply here and you will get the job immediately. So
right,
next day I started a job, but it was only 300 rupees per month.
okay.
Now people are charging 300 rupees per visit.
Per visit, right.
But the hospital used to give 300 rupees per month only.
Per month. Okay.
But
So
at that time, 300 rupees were
like maybe like a 30,000 rupees?
maybe.
Maybe. Sir, after you joined private hospital, after started, you joined Surat Municipal Corporation Hospital also.
Now
So
later on, there was one polio clinic was there that
okay,
was run by the Rotary Club of Surat Town. It was one of the best department, I say.
okay,
They have post of a honorary physiotherapist.
okay,
Again, it was 150 rupees honorarium I used to get it.
okay,
But I know that if I work hard and sincerely,
right,
number of patients are going to increase,
right.
and one day the government corporation will definitely create a post of a full-time physiotherapist. So
Okay,
I worked for 2 years there as an honorary physiotherapist. It was honorary only, and I used to work from 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock night,
okay,
and patients used to come there. And
right,
every day I used to treat about 60 to 70 patients of polio.
right,
And every year, president of Rotary Club changed, no? So I used
right.
to demand every year. Once I
Okay,
said I want a hydrotherapy tank. So they
okay,
have prepared it. And I
okay,
started hydrotherapy tank.
okay,
And I said okay, we have plenty of space. So we should work on a suspension therapy.
okay,
So every year I used to ask them and they used to provide it.
okay. So that department was developed by you.
Yeah. And because of that polio clinic, they got Rotary Club Surat Round Town, that was got a significant achievement from Rotary International.
Okay,
So they used to give every year something.
okay,
So the patients were very poor, very poor. They can't even afford a single knee splint.
okay,
So I requested them, president of our Rotary, okay, you have to give sponsor
okay,
partly payment. So they said, okay, whatever you suggest, we will do it. So we used to provide all type of orthosis.
okay,
And one of the orthopedic surgeons used to visit that clinic.
okay,
And I used to ask him several questions and suggestions. And he has started operating. And I have seen almost all types of surgery he had done. Even
okay,
external oblique transfer as a hip flexors.
okay.
Rarely
Rarely done surgery.
rarely done.
Yeah. So when you become permanent that time, sir, because you started as an honorary physiotherapist.
After 1 year,
Okay. So
I,
government has created post.
full-time post.
Okay.
I was the only person
To apply.
apply.
Okay. So they were lucky to have you there also. Sir, after you were working there as till 2011, I think, right? Till you retired.
till I retired.
So I came to know that you joined college into the academics in 2001,
2000, 2000,
2000. So
2000.
along with job, how you came to academic? Because you were working as a clinical therapist there.
See, Dr. Chandrakant Modi was a director of that college,
Okay,
and during that period, Women's Year was there.
okay,
So Gujarat government also encouraged if somebody starts a college for women. So one of the trust has started physiotherapy college for girls only.
right,
And everybody likes to work with a girls, no?
right. I agree.
And Dr. Chandrakant Modi asked me, I said, unless corporation gives me the permission, then and then I will join. Otherwise, I will not. Because I believe in some principles.
Right. And corporation has given you a permission.
Now, then I wrote a letter to the commissioner.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to give my free services on Sunday.
Okay.
Sunday is off on a corporation.
Right.
And at that way, I have started teaching.
Okay. And from there you shifted to Bharti Maya.
No, no.
Now,
In 2011, I retired.
right.
During that time, I was nominated as a member of a board of study in South Gujarat University.
Okay.
And along with me, Dr. Mahendra Chauhan, he was a dean of a South Gujarat University of medical faculty.
Okay.
So we used to inspect all colleges of South Gujarat University.
Okay.
So he knew my nature. So he asked me, sir, will you take a responsibility? Then we can start a physiotherapy college.
Right.
I said, I will take responsibility, but with one condition, that I will not take a single pie.
Okay.
Then he said, then I said, no, if I am not taking any single pie, that does not mean that I will not take interest. Now that I know your nature.
Right.
And that way I have joined this college because I want, okay, there should be a good college in South Gujarat. South Gujarat.
Okay. So till now you are there also, you are doing honorary service.
Honorary
Till now.
service.
Okay. So now we come to our main point. Like you are a longest serving treasurer of IAP, Indian Association of Physiotherapists. So you took charge in 1992. First time you won that election. So from whom you take a charge, and what all the challenges you faced when you took a charge as a first timer?
See, when we were working with Chandrakant Modi,
Okay.
people were not knowing much about physiotherapy.
Okay.
They used to call as a masseurs only.
Okay.
So we have decided, and even orthopedic surgeons, physicians, they were not aware about. So we have decided that we will form a branch of Surat of IAP. But there were only 5 members were there.
Okay.
So we have asked from the Navsari, Bardoli, Valsad, can you join with Surat branch? And we were 10 members and we have formed the branch.
Okay.
Then we have decided to arrange a clinical meeting with orthopedic surgeons.
Okay.
And we have decided to publish a newsletter because we don't have money.
Right.
So we have decided to publish a newsletter. And in that newsletter, we used to send the best wishes, birthday wishes, marriage anniversary wishes. And I used to ask them, donate 50 rupees, 100 rupees. That's why we have started collecting the fund and publishing the newsletter. And we have learned that fracture, neck femur is a notorious fracture.
Okay.
Nobody, even orthopedic surgeon, they like it.
Okay.
Because 67% are chances of a avascular necrosis.
Okay.
So I I prepare 5 questions and I used to ask every orthopedic surgeon.
Okay.
So they used to answer it. When will you start weight bearing? When will you suspect AVN? And what will you advise to the patient, whether you inform regarding AVN or not?
Okay.
So even newsletter, orthopedic surgeons also like,
Okay.
okay, you are, because we used to send the newsletter to orthopedic surgeons. So at least they know that what we are doing it. And if XYZ orthopedic surgeon is believe in that way, so our colleagues will know that this orthopedic surgeon believe in that way, we have to go
Right.
in that direction only.
So from Surat IAP, you went to National IAP. So that's why my question is, sir, from 92, you become a treasurer first time in
Yeah,
IAP.
at that time, I was a treasurer of Surat branch.
Okay.
And with my friends, whenever we go outside, no,
Okay.
for a trip, they always ask me to keep accounts.
Okay.
So I had a experience of keeping.
Okay.
I always keep transparency.
Right.
So people have a trust. So then I have decided to let me go in a national level.
National level. Right.
And everybody in Gujarat, they know me. And because of you people only of Gujarat physiotherapists, and of course support of a Bombay people,
Right.
I was elected. And then everybody knows my work. So later on from North, at that time, West versus North people and West versus South, always there. But South people also, then 1994, at that time, Dr. N.S. Yadva was a president.
Okay.
So he asked me, you decide continue for one more term. So I decided, okay, let me continue. Then I said, बहुत हो गया. 4 years बहुत हो गया.
Okay.
Because I was not able to do my private practice. Only job.
Okay.
And IAP work. So most of the time, my time for work of IAP only. Accept the envelope, check the application form,
Okay.
prepare the receipt, and prepare the register. And next day, deposit the check in a bank.
So how difficult it was with along with your job and everything? How difficult it was in your life, sir?
It was difficult, but because of my wife, she used to help me a lot.
Right. So because from so many people I heard that even Subodh know that how Kunjalata madam also know the same thing. So sometimes you can talk with her also. She, she also know the account thing and receipt thing. This money I have received. So she also
And
know.
she always answer politely, If somebody asks me, sir, what happened about my application? So my question, when did you apply?
Okay.
Sir, I have applied it, but when did you apply? Tell me the date.
Okay.
So, but when Kunjalata was on phone, okay, I will inquire.
Right. So it is always difficult to answer all the phone calls also because now my life is easy because of this mobile phone email. But that time there was no
Now
mobile.
it's not easy. It's become difficult because later on mobile was there, no?
Yeah.
And I was working in a corporation.
Okay.
So anybody calls when I am treating a patient or somebody is sitting an officer of a corporation and somebody calls me, what happened about my application?
Okay.
So they also think, no, okay, the physiotherapists are not working. They are always talking on phone only,
Okay.
So it's a nuisance. I say phone is a nuisance.
Right. Sir, 1996 to 98, you have not contested. And after that, you fight again in 98. So why you took, because of,
I said, no, I was not able to do private practice.
but why again 98?
Now again, people said, can you again, Subodh, again join as a come in a national level again.
Okay.
Then I said I cannot, I can work as a treasurer only.
Okay.
And I have worked with Mokasi sir, Dastur madam, and I enjoyed a lot in working with them.
So we can say your track record is like our Prime Minister Modi ji. Whenever you are contesting, you never lose. Until and unless you are resigning, you never lose till any election till now.
That's
Either
why
you
I say it's because of you people only.
right. And so that is because of your work. Because your work always shown that this man is honest and he's carrying our money. Our money is on the safe hand. That's why this people has put trust on you every time. Sir, let me ask you, like how you streamline this accounting and membership process? Because I'm telling my personal experience, like my life is very easy now with net banking, mobile app, everything is there in Excel, laptop, everything is available on fingertip, we can say. But that time when you took charge in 92 or 96, it was not that much easy to get that. So how you maintain this procedure? How you started this thing?
See, there were very few colleges
Okay,
approved by IAP,
okay,
and government college, all government colleges are approved by IAP.
okay,
So every day 15 to 20 posts are there. So I used to see it, check the application form from which college he is graduated, whether he has filled the internship completion certificate, again from which college, and the draft is in a favor of, because at that time the account is in name of Indian Association of Physiotherapy. People used to send treasurer, Indian Association of Physiotherapy.
okay,
Subodh Desai, Indian Association of Physiotherapy. And
okay.
bank will not accept no such types of a
Right,
draft.
right.
So we have to send it back again to the members, and we have to keep the record, because in a general body they used to ask, we have applied and we have not received the application. Once it happened, one IAS officer from Delhi, he sent the application form for
Okay,
his daughter, and the draft was in favor of Indian Association of Physiotherapy,
okay,
Surat branch, and that envelope has reached to civil hospital.
okay,
And at that time, the one interns was there, and he was knowing that who is the treasurer of IAP Surat branch. So he handed over the envelope, and that guy has deposited the same check in IAP Surat branch.
okay,
The, the check was debited,
right,
but the credited in Indian Association of Physiotherapy Surat branch.
okay,
So that IAS officer used to call, because he has to call from the office.
okay,
So he has not to bear the expenses.
right,
So he off and on, he used to call me. I have sent it, I have sent it. Then my same question, when did you apply? What is the date of a draft? So at least I can find out. So I inquired from the bank, I inquired the whole register. I have asked my accountant that this is the draft number, you find out. Because later on my accountant, he used to enter the bank name, even draft number also.
okay,
But there is no draft, there is no income of such person. Even we have gone through the register also, but that name was not there.
okay,
So I will go into the court. Then I say, whatever you want to do, I have not deposited your, so you can go to the court. I don't mind.
okay,
So later on, I thought that he must not be lying because he is IAS officer.
okay.
But he is from Delhi, so you cannot trust also.
I cannot say that. I cannot say that. My experience about Delhi people is they are very, they are making us to eat with dill. I know whenever I'm going to Delhi, they are feeding me like, "Tu kya khayega, kya khayega." So in that way, I cannot say, I cannot trust them. And all our colleagues are from Delhi. So I think that was an old perception of us. Uh, sir, let me ask you, like, when you, why you are asking for a postcard to send? Because you are
See,
not,
I used to inform immediately,
okay,
and this is the simplest way of sending the information to the members.
right,
Your IAP number is this, your receipt number is this, and General Secretary will send the receipt and the certificate to you.
okay.
So that's why I used to send through postcard only. That is the
But
only reason.
no,
That
envelope, if somebody is telling, like, I'm sending an envelope with stamp on that, then also you are telling no stamp, no envelope, only postcard.
because I have made a procedure, no?
Right,
That is the reason.
fine. Okay, and we still remember your address because so many times we wrote a letter like A101 Pashwadi Patar Road. Still, that address is so many people's mind because you people used to write that letter to you. Sir, let me ask you: when you were a treasurer during that tenure, IAP's Delhi premises has been purchased, or that process has been started. So, how that process has been started that time?
See,
Like, what all the procedure has been followed?
every time in a general body, everybody say, okay, we should have our own office, own office. But
Okay.
there is always, okay, Bombay people always used to say, okay, head office should be in a Bombay,
Okay.
because our office is registered in society at Bombay.
Okay.
And Delhi people say, okay, it is the capital of India, so there should be. So it was a hot discussion in a EC and a GB.
Right.
Later on, we have come to conclusion that let's keep it into the GB, but we have to. Then I informed that कि whenever you pass, we have to form a committee, or we have to take a quotation from 2-3 people. So later on, nobody can object it.
Okay.
So we have passed in an executive committee that we will form the committee to decide, and they will do the all formalities.
Okay.
So at that time, Deepak Kumar was a executive committee member.
Okay.
So one of the EC member was always become a convener of that committee,
Okay.
and other members. We have asked general body, let the general body decide. So general body later on not comment on EC's decisions.
Okay.
Kosi Mathai, I think Kosi Mathai was there. VK Gupta or VV Gupta was there. So they form a committee.
Nitesh Bansal was also there, I think.
I'm not.
Nitesh Bansal was also there along with Deepak Kumar, Nitesh Bansal, Koshi
Three
Mathai.
or 3 or 4 people were there.
4 people were there. Okay.
They have asked for the quotation of 3 different.
Okay.
What is the lowest quotation? Then again it comes to the executive committee. Then we have decided that this is suitable for us. It was about 1,500 square feet and more than 1 crore. But only condition was that we have to pay by checks only.
All the amount you are going to pay in white check.
Check only, not white check. Check
Right.
only.
Check only.
So when I left, it was 88 lakhs of rupees I have paid it. Not I have, but I during my tenure.
Tenure you paid. Okay.
IAP has paid. Afterwards, I have no idea what is the status of a office.
Right. So it is nice to know all these things here because when I joined SIP, when one SIP formation was there, I was the last person was joined in the mail conversation. And before I reached to Delhi first time, was before 5 years, 5th of July, they already decided that those person coming from Gujarat, anyone, will make him treasurer. That is because of not this person work, that is because of Subodh Bhai's work. So this much work or this much era you have created in this, especially in the financial thing. So let me ask you, when you were working for this IAP for say this many years as a treasurer, every time you're feeling like I become a finance man instead of physiotherapist Subodh Desai?
So I said, okay, it is because of my accountant and my wife.
No, no, but you feel that like instead of physiotherapist Subodh Bhai, I become an accountant or financial man Subodh Bhai. Anytime you feel like that personally?
Yeah, I enjoy working as a accounts. No, and
Okay,
because I used to keep it transparent,
right.
and I was the first treasurer. I think in 1996, I handed over audited report each member in a general body.
Okay.
Audited report copy
Before that, it never happened.
never happened. Even no, so many years they have not audited the accounts.
So what about taxation then?
See, later on, I put, uh, I said, no, during that period, Dr. Mokasi was there, Dastur Madam was there, Savita later on joined as an executive committee member. And I told them, so we have to now regularize. Now accounts are 4 5 years we have audited regularly. We should, whatever, it should be regularized unless we file the income tax return.
Okay,
Then everybody appreciated. No, okay, it's a good idea.
right.
Then everybody said, okay, we will put into the general body.
Okay,
And then we kept it a general body. General body also agree. No, it should be, we should file the income tax return.
right.
And that's why we have started uh, filing the income tax return also. But during 2007 or 8, I have no idea,
Right.
but that our case had gone into scrutiny.
Okay.
So I had to go 7 to 8 times in a month for income tax purpose.
Okay.
First they called me,
Okay.
who are you? You are a physiotherapist. How much money you are making? Because
Okay.
at that time, one racket was there, no, in a cricket match.
Yeah.
So they think that these physiotherapists are making lots of money.
Okay.
So you bring your all books and so after 3 days I have to go with all books and everything. She check all the books. He has saw the whole receipt book.
Okay.
What is the fee of this? What is registration fee? What is re-registration fee? What is life membership fee? What is every fee they ask me.
Okay.
Uh,
So after you are a first person who filed income tax, you are a first person who audited the account, and in your tenure, association or IPs, uh, that premises has been purchased. So you are a person who are doing first in so many things. So
it is I give credit to the executive committee of
yeah, definitely, sir, because this is a teamwork. Personally,
and
single-handedly, we cannot do that. Yes.
and the blessings of, I said, not Dr. Mokasi, Dr. Dandapani,
Right.
Dr. Madam Dastur, Dr. Savita,
Right.
even uh, Saroj Ben Sangvi,
Okay.
they were also there.
Okay. So, sir, what advice would you like to give to all junior physiotherapists?
So you have to work hard. And you have to work sincerely. You have to work hard. You have to work sincerely.
And yeah.
If you work hard,
Okay.
you will get the fruits. See in Surat, we have planted the trees,
Right.
and now people are, new generation is getting the fruits.
Agree. Sir, I heard first one ledger from you, and as you are telling, I cannot trust because on the day one when I joined treasurer and SIP, you one advice you given to me like don't trust any person until and unless they are giving you bill or a paper, because tomorrow you won't be there or president or general secretary or any EC member, but paper or bill always will be there in your file. So you are only advise me don't trust anyone without bill.
No, that is not
So
a question. That is not a question of trust and untrust.
that is, yeah,
Uh, See, my chartered accountant.
right,
See, I used to keep the accounts. My chartered accountant check each and every bill. So once I said, no, someone has traveled from Bombay to elsewhere, and there was no boarding pass.
okay,
So he told me, how do you believe that one has traveled? Because I trust it. They are not कि ऐसे बिल रख दे, ऐसे वाले नहीं है. नहीं नहीं, you have to collect the boarding pass, so everybody will know that one has traveled it.
right,
Because today one can prepare a bill, ask the agent and prepare a bill.
right,
So once I put into the EC also, if
okay,
I don't mind in paying because it's not my money,
okay,
it's IAP money. I don't mind it. People used to believe that it's Subodh Desai is not giving, Subodh Desai is not giving. I said once, please submit the boarding pass. So they didn't like it. They felt very bad.
okay.
So you should trust me because I will trust you. But my
my
charter accountant is not
not
trusting.
going to trust you. Yeah, right.
Ah,
So
that's
I
why.
was, yeah,
That's why you have to submit the boarding pass.
right.
And later on, they have started.
So it become a now routine, like you're
Routine.
submitting a boarding pass. So that become process now. Because of your guidance, I also did that process. And you know, sir, when I was doing preparation about the SIP chat, I asked about Subodh Bhai to so many people, like describe Subodh Bhai in one word. And first word all as told was honesty. He is honest. This is the one word people have described you. Many people, few people has told you are so much systematic. So many told you are economical. Maybe because of this all reasons, they know you all these years, like you are not telling even members also to send envelope because they are spending 3 rupees instead of 50 paisa postcard. So you are taking care of member also in that way. So any other advice would you like to give it to me on this social platform, sir?
Now you are also doing the very, very good work in SIP, and I wish you will continue, and you will make a name of a Gujarat. That's all.
That is because of your work, and I'm continuing it because of blessing of all the founder members of SIP, because they are trusting me now. And thank you, sir, for this beautiful chat.
One thing I want
Yes,
to tell you.
yes, please, sir.
See, people were not ready to pay the subscription of WCPT,
Okay,
and we have started paying subscription every year to WCPT and AWP.
okay,
Still, and because we don't pay the subscription, today IAP is not a member of a WCPT.
okay,
So once I told to the EC members, okay, I am keeping this much amount deposit for WCPT and AWP subscription. Then every EC member say, Subodh તારે જે કરવું હોય તે, whatever you want to do, you do it.
yeah,
Because every year we have to pay subscription.
right,
And even general body also, why we have to pay subscription to the WCPT?
okay,
What WCPT is doing? Then I
okay,
said, no, okay. Then tomorrow physiotherapists will say, why we want to become a member of IAP? Then
right,
people will not become IAP member because they have to pay the subscription to IAP. We have to pay the subscription of a WCPT. And every 2 years, they used to sponsor one education program.
okay,
And during 1992, they were sponsored Car and Shepherd
okay,
in Hyderabad.
okay,
So they have sent 7,500 pounds.
okay,
So I asked the president, what to do? They say you deposit it. So I have deposited. But when they have turned up we have to pay their fees.
Right.
So they cannot, we have to pay in a dollars or in pounds only.
Okay.
And I asked the bank authority, give me the pounds. We cannot issue because at that time, foreign exchange was not, financial condition of India was not good. During Narasimha Rao, I'm talking about 1992.
92.
Now we have to take a permission of RBI. I informed them. So we have deposited $7,500 pound,
Pound.
and we have to reimburse same in a pound.
Right.
No, you have to take a permission of RBI. Then I have to rush to RBI. Again, whom to contact, it's very difficult.
Okay.
And I have recently taken a charge of a treasurer from Dilip Patel.
Okay.
So he has also no idea. So I met Dr. Mokasi sir. Yeah, then my chartered accountant's one relative was working in RBI. So I met him. Morning, you have to go in a flying Rani at 5 o'clock, and again you have to return in at 10 o'clock night. And after 3-4 days, again you have to go, same routine.
Okay.
So I request that guy, no, okay, we have. So what is the proof that you have received it? So I used to keep the record, but it was in my house. So again I have to go to Surat, collect it, and then you give us an application with the signature of president's signature. Then I said, I am a treasurer of. Then you give us in writing.
Okay.
We have sponsored this program and WCPT, because every year we are paying the WCPT subscription. Because paying subscription in dollars and pounds, there is no problem.
Okay.
But when you are calling somebody and when you have to reimburse in dollars, you have to take a permission of RBI.
Okay.
But now we have lots of, because of it's our Prime Minister, lots of funds are there, reserve fund.
Right.
So you can get it from easily. But during that time, it was very difficult. Right. So that was a very harsh time for me. And
okay.
That income tax chakkar.
Right.
That's too harsh time for me in IAP.
So let me conclude here, sir. Because of trust and your honesty, trust on you, because on your work, people has given so many opportunity to work as a treasurer, and you always enjoyed being as a treasurer, and you work very well on the association front. Even people like me and people like so many other places are learning, and they are giving example of Dr. Subodh Desai as a treasurer. I heard first name as a treasurer of Dr. Subodh Bhai only. So thank you very much, sir, for sharing your experience. I have good financial advisor team with me in Delhi, in Mumbai. People are advising me on the right front, and as you said, now rules has changed so much. Like we cannot pay in dollars. If we are paying in dollars, we have to take so many permission from government. So rules have changed from government to government, but it is very difficult task, and it is a teamwork. You did also that time, and we are also doing. So thank you very much for sharing your information and time with us, sir. Thank you.
I also thank you, Kausal. I also thank Society of Indian Physiotherapy. See, when I left Indian Association of Physiotherapy, I have not resigned, I left.
Okay.
I am attending every conference of SIP. You know that.
Right.
That is a good scientific platform. And I also say that if you want to go for a scientific platform, you should join SIP or you should attend the SIP conference.
Thank you very much for this kind word, sir. Thank you and have a good day. Good night, sir. Bye.
Bye. Good night.